The broadcast is now starting. All
Morning, guys.
attendees are in listen-only mode.
Very good morning. Thank you, Deepak. Don, good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, July 26th. We are almost out of July. Very close to wrapping up the summer, another month or so. Today is FOMC day, a notoriously difficult day to trade. So we'll be taking it easy today. We'll make our money. I will leave the room open for the day. Good morning, John. I'll leave the room open all day, as I typically do on FOMC. Hang on one second, guys. Hang on one second. You can do one in the afternoon. Good morning, Sophie. You could do one in the afternoon, Barbara, probably on the announcement. But I think, in my opinion, a quarter point is probably baked in. I think that's what they're expecting, and I'm pretty sure that's what we'll get. So the answer to your question is I don't think so. If it is, it surely wouldn't be till at least 2 o'clock. It is crude inventory day. Hang on one second, guys. 250. I let it take just the one trade. Currently is off. You can see the chop. Let me read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, there's your... Come on, give me 20. Target 1. ES could bounce off 84, could push down to 80, but that whole area is a buy zone. And we should come out of that zone. If you guys wanted to try an ES long, if you're a one contract trader, maybe 5 micros at 84 and then add 5 at 80. I don't even have MES on a DOM. All right, so let's try 5 micros. We just tagged 84 to the tick. 1 second, guys. What, 5? All right. We bounced 84 and 84 quarter. So I put on 5 micros at 84. I'll add 5 at 80. We've already bounced. NASDAQ got 20 half, 20 quarter. There may be an opportunity at 2 o'clock, Albert. On the announcement, but I'm not sure because I think that, quarter point is factored in. So this is a sim trade on the original bot, just with some minor changes. And I'm just going to let this run. Resistance is now 20. All right, fellas, I'm going to go to breakfast. Hey, Ken. Can you email me your number? Guys, I'm going to go to breakfast. I'll be back in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, I'm back. I think I'm going to take the trail off that. Just adjusting charts. ES should push to 87. We're off. Sellers, small, buyers. Through 37, this can pop up to 44. Pushing some resistance here. No, it's not. It closed the trade. Next target down. Next target down is going to be 63. Just getting a small bounce here. I don't know why it would bounce here. Really nothing here. Getting a bounce in the SPYs. They're buying the ES. They're buying the NASDAQ. They're buying the YM. They're also buying crude. I think the next break below that 70 is going to be 549. We stopped at that pivot, but I don't think it holds long. It's only 1,200 sellers, guys, so they could give us a ripper, but this thick red line up here at 39 is a problem. This area here is a problem as well to get back above 89. There comes the next move down. 63 is your next target. We have some daily support down at 47. We got 66. Up to 1,600 sellers. 66, then 549. If you guys are short, it's the only trade you need today. Nice job, Jason. That's all right. We'll get you $15 today. Some small buyers stepping in on a retracement. Go to a 5-minute now. There's our resistance, 88.75. Currently, the NASDAQ is holding. Nice job, Deepak. I didn't even get a trade, but I don't know what settings you're using. I think I would try this short here again unless they send in a ton of buyers. Okay. I tried a small short here, right at this resistance. Got 300 buyers in. Okay, we're going, it looks like we could go back to the point of control. 10-minute wants to bounce to 602. Okay. Flat. Flat. We're going to bounce to 602, 603, and then above that 609, 03 and 09. Now they got short stuck. There's 600. Q's could bounce to 378.14, about a handle higher. All right, there's value area low. So we got 03 and 09. We held the bottom of the hourly cloud. YM breaking up. If I'd have kept those like a chooch, target is 92. Downside momentum has, for the moment, dried up. We're below 1,000 net sellers. They bought back about 600 contracts. NASDAQ, ES is going to get first target at 92 from that 84. NASDAQ's next target up is going to be 22.23. If you guys have the gumption to take a long, it's a long. 22.23 is next target. Below 800 sellers. All right, I'm going to try the long here. I'm fighting this value area low. Needs to pop above that 11. There it is. Oh, come on, you had him. Down below 600. Sitting on support here. Come on, right back. Now I want it to hold here, 97. I'll add it 97. And it'll be a quick kill if it doesn't hold. All right, I added 4. It's not holding. Come on. 10-minute is trying. Come on. A couple hundred sellers came back in, but they're getting bought. Come on, big. All right, I'm flat. Flat. I can't sit in the trade with 8 contracts. Should bounce here. That red line. You dog. Bounced exactly where it needed to bounce. Ten minutes are good. Small time frame is not. I still like the longs. They just suck shorts in. Trendbot is not taking a trade. Back below 800. There's buyers here, guys. Come on. Yeah, we usually bid up though into FOMC. YM is longs. Crude is longs, but I don't really trade crude. And NASDAQ is in park. 15-minute is nothing. Sellers coming back in, but small. I mean, really small. I think we're going to work back up eventually to at least 635. Could be. I, I mean, I have my signal. I know where I'll be long again. Or I have my level, I should say. Get ready for the long. Come on, pop this. Nope, still didn't go. Entry now looks like 13 is the long. Guys, it's hanging here right around 600, not making a move either way. But we do have a little bear flag. I'm watching the cues. NASDAQ's trying. Get ready. Long, long. Just broke my level. First target is 21. Come on, give me that 21. Don't be a dink. Give me 21. Missed by a tick, like 3 times. Okay, 7 off at 21. 3 to go. Trendbot's long. All right, guys, we have to push up through 25 if this is going to go. I'm flat. I'm flat. We rejected 240-minute support, but I don't think it rejects long. Still like this long. 25 goes 33. There it is. Your long 20. It's still going. It's got to get through 25, and it's going 33 and then 39. We're gonna hit this area in here, but it's gonna get through. We're down to 200 sellers. 200 sellers. $250. Now it should hold here. 16. Come on. If that doesn't, then it bounces here. Trendbot's long 1. Come on, get through 25 and rip. Small buyers here. 25.50. $25.50. Come on. Push. Push, dog. Come on, buyers. That trend line's going to be a bit of an issue. Back down to 350 net sellers. Got to get over 28. I thought I lost data. First target is 30 to 31. We hit that trend line and pinged. It's going to push through. Target one filled. Target one filled. Target one filled. Flat. Pinged off of 240 resistance here. There we go. Come on, push. I need a 5-minute close above that trend line. Excuse me. We got the 33. Above 33, we get 39. I'm flat, but I'm trading tens. So yes, I'm flat. We're moving up into that 39, which is going to be resistance right here, 39.40. I see that as a short unless they send in the cavalry. But looking at Qs on a 5-minute, if we flip below a trend line, NASDAQ will flip. I'm thinking 377 puts. Not yet, but that's what I'm looking at. Back into some support here. Back up to 800 sellers. And on the NASDAQ, I've also got a 3-minute trend line that if we flip through, we're going to get busted. Bots are quiet. This bot's up 165 and 245. So not much going on here. Up 1535 with the bot and using the copier 570. Nice. Nice job. I mean, the selling is not aggressive. There is selling, there is some buying. It's not aggressive, but I don't think we're sticking up here. If I look at the NASDAQ on the 10-minute, it looks like it wants to pull back to 09 support. This may not break out for 30 to 40 minutes. It's going to have to wedge lower before it can get up through, I think, this trend line and go. I'm really thinking Q puts, but I need to close below that trend line on Qs. So guys, here's the plan for the day. Let me do this. I mean, that's all we got, guys. 6, 7 handle trades. Anybody take it? Okay. And now we're bouncing right back up. All right, I'm down to 3 contracts. I took that trade as well. Puts me at 29.35. First day of an evaluation. Still think we're coming down. It's holding minor support at 16. If it breaks below 16, it comes right back down. Come on, dip down. Below 16, we get 08. Below 16, we get 08. Below 16, we're going to get 08 again. I'm short 3. All right, passed. Another evaluation. Cleared one day. $3,000 for the day. Where's your O? We got 9. Should get 8. Should get 8. There's 8. 16 to 8. Another 8-point dinker. Another 8-point dinker. I can't make them go any faster or further. I can only tell you where they should go. $600 is going to be support again. Anybody take that down to 08? Okay, Don. We're going to bounce 02. I don't think we're up to 1,700 sellers. This could be the start. Bounced 04. I think we bounced 02 half, 03. We bounced ahead of that. Crude inventory is coming. Crude short below 20. You can short 35 on crude. First target is only 26. Let me change accounts here, guys. Let me get another one up. We're going to eventually work down to 96. All right, trend bot short. It's just chop, guys. I mean, the bot is not going to perform great in chop. No bot will. We need to break down below 595 to start this down move pretty good. Otherwise, we're just chopped. To me, looks like it's trying to break down, but the volume is so low. Bot close the trade. Crude's coming down. Crude 35 short triggered. Target number 1 is 26. If you took crude short, 26. 10 ticks, not 10 points. And then next target down is 79.05. Guys, it's a very difficult, crappy little trade ahead of FOMC, but we're still making money. I mean, this doesn't want to break one direction or the other. Anybody else take crude for 33 ticks? There's no bangers here today, guys. YM is a short here at 74. Stop is 611. Okay, Frank. One thing's for sure, two for certain. We're going to break out of this wedge one direction or the other. We're breaking down now. This may bounce right here, though. It did. Oh, 1. We get a 5-minute candle close below that trend line. It's going to sell. I suspect it'll be on the hourly. I think the 11 o'clock candle busted out. Try this 97 long. It's already bounced. Didn't close below. This is resistance here. 300 buyers just came in, down to 1,200. On the 10-minute, there's a trend line that has to break. If 96 breaks, we get 89. '96 broke. We should work down to 89. Up to 1,900 sellers. Still think we're going to get 89. Just really slow. As soon as we broke below 95. The longer it spends in this area, it's going to fill in this profile and move down here. There's 91, and then a bounce probably here, 87. I think we're coming back to the lows at 69 if you guys have the patience to take a short. We're getting closer to the top of the hour, and the current hourly candle is pressing lower. If we get an hourly close below that day low at 64, this could get really hit hard. Yeah, it's FOMC. I mean, my first target is 41 handles. On the ES. Yeah, well, it didn't hold. It's coming to 66. It's coming to the low of the day. It's coming to 66. Excuse me. Up to 2,400 net sellers. We're at the bottom of the hourly cloud. We couldn't get a bounce here. What'd they say? Gonna hit the day low. Okay. No, the target was hit. It didn't take it off. Here's day low, fellas. All right. Got target one on the bot. Target one hit on the bot. 41 handles. Now it's going to be a blowout. 63 is next. We're at 2,900 sellers. God, was that a slow trade? We're at the opening range low. We could bounce here first and then continue on down. YM, trying to find a few buyers. Crude would be a long if you guys like crude at 40, 79.40. Next place for a bounce would be yesterday's low, which is at 49. That red line right there. Let me do it in blue. That's yesterday's low. ES is holding up much better. NASDAQ tech stocks more susceptible to higher interest rates. Next 15-minute bar is the top of the hour. And we're going to close below the hourly cloud. Guys, everybody good today? Everybody should have made money. I just had the one losing trade. Is there anybody that did not make money? All right, nice job, James. Here comes yesterday's low. We breached it. You could try a long here just back above it, 49.25. You could try a 50 for a small scalp. Not much. Nope. It's trying to hold. I'd be out at flat. We're at 3,700 sellers. Nice, James. That's nice. Yep. Anybody take the Q puts? They're in the money, man. ITM, big time. Anybody take Q puts? Bots working down towards second target. 91 handles. $4,000 selling. Below 30, this is going to get just completely walloped. $50 seconds to the next 15-minute bar, and now I actually have a sell signal on the 15-minute, finally. Small time frames are all short. 15 minutes going to be short in 32 seconds. And I have a 23 target now. Three, two, one. You can short it if you trade a 15-minute. If you trade a 15-minute, you can short it. If this presses here, it's coming 23 would be my target. That would be target one. Just got 25.50. Just hit 24. Come on, give me the 23. Seriously, you're not going to give me the last 4 ticks? Target filled. Target filled. 91 points. She's a peach, hun. Caddyshack. Guys, I will use these settings for a couple of 3 days, 4 days, just to see how it trades. But these are from one of the members. I'm not going to say who, because he'll get 912 emails. But if it works and these settings continue to be consistent, I will share the settings and I will share who gave them to me and give full credit to the person that gave them to me. I just don't want to jump the gun and then he gets 9,200 emails. So the first person that emails me for those settings, I'm not even going to respond. You guys know I like to test them first. The TrendBot hasn't taken a trade. Didn't take any of that trade. That should have been a $9 million trade. $4,300 sellers, guys. Anybody think that Powell comes in and saves the day today? Okay, guys. This is what I usually do on FOMC. We left with the TrendBot down about 500 and change. It's up 1480. So it caught that up move. Caught this up move. I mean, and this, it's currently in a little short. I closed it. I don't want to run any bots through the news. I'm just adjusting some charts, guys. Although the ES doesn't need much to adjust. What's BD? We're holding this support zone in here. Oh, yeah, my birthday's coming. Not a whole lot of movement while we were gone. Up here. Small buyers. I'll give you another long if we get it. Committed to returning inflation to the 2% target. Not much movement either way in the ES. All right, get ready for a long. I'm just waiting for the candle to close. All right, here we go. Not yet. New bar. The long is 89 on the NASDAQ. Shh, you rat bag. A lot of buyers. Got hit. And it bounces. It's long. It's going long. Dink and dunk sellers in here. Dink and dunk buyers. Dink and dunk sellers. Come on, get up there. Let's go. $70 is stuffing it. I don't know why. Stuffed it again. It's stinking 3-minute resistance at 70. If it goes above 71, it's going back up to 99. Above 71, it goes to 99. There it goes. It should now go to 99. 90. Boy, this is a muted reaction. Come on, push a little. Target filled at 29. Still going to 42. Noting that there are 2 more jobs reports between now and the next FOMC meeting. Here comes 42. Got to get above this. There it is. Come on, 42. Don't make a liar out of me. 42. Target hit. If you took it from 7, you got it to 42. Anybody take it? Nice job, Arjan. Okay, guys. Powell saying it's possible we raise or hold rates in September. That's all they need. Here come the buyers. We're at yesterday's close at 73. If we get above 73, we're going to trade to yesterday's high at 733. You're lagging, John? Yeah, I mean, it's common with Ninja. They're buying them all back. We get above yesterday's close at 73, I'll hit it again. At 74. And my goal is going to be 735. Powell saying economic resilience is overall good and a good thing. Come on, get above yesterday's close. Come on, push here. 240 resistance. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You dog. Come on, get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Push through this. Push. Get up there. Through that stupid resistance. There we go. Come on. Oh, man, so damn close. Seriously, so close to busting this thing wide out. We're going positive delta momentarily. We're down 100 contracts. I'm out. You son of a bee. I'm out, fellas. Next 15-minute bar. In a minute and 12 it goes. Small sellers here. It's profit taking. $20 sellers. It's not short, guys. 40 seconds to the next. I'll be long again. Depending on the data, he's reiterating, depending on the data, September's rate hike could be a rate hike or a hold. That's what sent this, that's what gave it this candle. Come on, I want that move to yesterday's high at 736. All right, new 15-minute bar. Held daily. Buyers again. Guys, the negative delta is 200 contracts. They bought back, what, 4,000 cars today? Some sellers, profit taking. They're getting bought. They're getting bought. How balancing risks, doing too much or doing too little. I'm telling you, we're going up. We're flat on the day, we're going up. YM is a short. It's right here, 726, 2728. Target one is 702. It's a big stop, though. Stop is 72. It's 40 handles, $200 a contract. Not that big. It's almost 3 o'clock. He's still going. Anybody take YM short? 702, first target. Here she come. Singing doo-wop, doo-wop. We may have hit it. 702, target hit. Target hit. NASDAQ short, too. Now, this could play around. This is, NASDAQ has support at 14, but if it breaks, it's coming down 1.5 miles. You know you're coming down. Yeah, that's it. All right. I blew one.